Curly parsley, still growing. Look how big this bush is. Poinsettia. Look how big it is. We've had it out sitting outside. Fixing to take it in the house. We still got all this to process. Sage, parsley, tomato plants, basil, tomato plants, sage, oregano, tomato plant, thyme, sage, 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 tomato plant, uh, chives, sage, greens, collard greens, onions, tomato plant, and another one of them bushes. That we got over there. Poinsettia. Here's where our green beans is still growing. Here's our lights we use for nighttime. Roses. Tomato plant. Tomato plants. They got little tomatoes on them. Tomato plant. Raspberry bushes, 2 of them. Zucchini. 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 Lettuce. Zucchini. Zucchini. Let's go up here in the garden. You want to? We got more stuff up there to plant. In this bed yesterday, my husband dug all the carrots up and the kale. We still got banana peppers out here growing. Pretty flowers. Right here's a banana pepper. See it? Still got banana peppers blooming. Pink roses. Here's a strawberry bed with kale in it and peppers. Look like cayenne peppers. See it right here? It's cayenne peppers. Onions. Collard greens. All up in the garden. Tomato plants. Marigolds. Got cabbage planted. All kinds of green onions. My husband does a lot of hard work around here. Just cut all this grass, plant the garden. Let's go see what else we can find. Our weed eater's tore up, so we can't cut the hill up there. We don't know when we'll get it fixed. Yeah, we'll get a weed eater or get one where we can afford to buy one. We'll have to cut every bit of that again up at the top. We've been letting it go wild because these wildflowers comes there all different colors all the time. Our fire pit. We got it ready to do marshmallows one day and hot dogs. We still got tomato plants by the back porch or deck, whatever you want to call it. They still giving tomatoes. Here's a little bunch of them right now. See them? Here's some, just a hanging. Some right there. Right there's some. Some on this side. Still got pretty roses. Got a little bitty one right here. Here's some more tomatoes and tomato plants. They still got tomatoes on them. This one does. This one does. This one's got some more. That one's got one down there. Got plenty on the porch still. Got some around here, tomatoes. Still growing. We picked all the watermelons, so there ain't no more watermelon planted right through here. Pretty colors of these trees. The leaves are turning. Means it's getting closer to winter every day. No more watermelon through here. Rose bush. Collard green. Rose bush. Collard greens. Collard greens. Collard greens. Tomato plant. Rose bush. Look at this pretty roses. Yeah, look at them. Still got peppers. They should bloom all the way up to November. So I hope we'll get some more peppers off of them. That one's blooming right now. Rose bushes, rose bushes, daylilies. There's watermelon still growing over here. And bees are loving it. The little yellow flowers. Tomato plants. The white flowers has went off this one. Was pretty all week. All the morning glories are gone. Pretty blue sky. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. My husband works hard around here. Trying to keep this place in shape. Look at all these morning glories. Ain't they pretty? See that white butterfly? You don't want that around. That's what lays eggs on your food. You see one of them, you need to kill it. We still getting green beans out here from this fence. All right, here's one right here. It's one. Here's tomatoes right here. Here's tomatoes. Them will be pear tomatoes when they turn ripe. We're back on the porch now. We still got all these pears to put up and do something with, and these tomatoes. Then we still got to pick the stuff today and dry it. All the parsley and the sage, basil, you name it. We got to pick it and dry it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.